Afternoon guys, how are you doing? I hope you are well. So obviously you know by the title of this video I decided to take my S1000XR off-road, and by the thumbnail you can see it didn't go too well. Now I am well aware the S1000XR is not an off-road bike. My problem is I get an idea into my head and I don't really think about the repercussions. I just sort of go and do it. Well, basically the whole point of my channel is to show you all my adventures on my bike. Obviously I didn't plan on recording a video doing this, but it just happened to be that I thought, well, I got some footage, so I am going to make a video of it and basically show you how absolute stupidity can cost you a lot of money completely needlessly. Yes, I am an idiot. Yes, I'm a dick. Yes, I am every name under the sun. I shouldn't have done it. I know that. It is going to cost me. I'm not 100% sure how much just yet, but I know it's going to be north of £500 to fix at least. Anyway, what I'll do is I'll roll the video, let you see the footage, and then I will talk to you again afterwards. It's a mistake I will not make again, I can assure you of that.
Bloody holes in it. Oh. Right, here we go. Ugh. Who says? Oh, oh. Oh dear, oh. I need to put my visor up, I'm steaming up. Who says you can't take an XR off-road? Oh my god. Oh. Oh, this is where it's going to get a bit iffy, isn't it? This bike is definitely not designed for this at all. Oh. Oh, yeah. Oh. Oh. Way up. Oh. Yeah. Oh. See, now I'm just getting a bit too cocky. Who needs a GS when you've got this? Oh. Oh my god. Whoa. Oh shit. Up. Oh, they say that's away. Oh. Jesus Christ. Whoa. Whoa, way up. Yeah. Well, I quite enjoyed that. Shall we? Oh, come on. Let's go. Oh no. Get a bit too cocky. Oh shit. Oh my god. The problem is, I don't know where this track takes me. Oh shit. Oh, sand. Cheers. Oh shit. Oh shit. Yeah. Yeah, bud. All part of the fun, isn't it?
Oh yeah.
That's good.
Okay.
Yep, lovely job. Cheers, bud.
Having a moment, mate?
Well, I thought I'd give it a go.
Hell of a weapon to be bringing up here.
You are?
Hell of a weapon to be bringing up here.
Yeah, you know when you had one of these ideas at the time and think, oh, I'll give it a go. Yeah. Now it's like, probably a mistake.
Well, you're lucky the sand ain't too deep up there.
No?
Packed with a wetness so you'll get through.
Yeah.
That could be interesting for you.
Yeah, I mean I enjoyed it on the way down here. Now, not so much. See you later.
So as you can see, I struggled a little bit to get out again. I didn't actually say a word all the way home after this. I think realisation has sunk in of how much an absolute twat I'd been in the first place. Done some serious damage. Yeah, I wasn't very happy at this point. I don't know what I expected. It's pretty obvious it's going to happen, but still, I done it anyway. So yeah. Anyway, I'll speak to you back. I'll speak to you in a sec. There you go. There is the absolute tool that decided to take the S1000XR off-road. Honestly, I look back at the video now and I just can't comprehend what was going through my head at the time. I mean, let's face it, I was going to drop it. I have no idea what I'm doing. So, yeah, as you can see the damage, obviously I lost an indicator. I've scuffed all the carbon fairing. I've scuffed all the side panel where the indicator sits. I've done some damage as well to the engine casing. I've got to get that sorted out. Yeah, obviously as I've recorded this part of the video, I have looked into having it sprayed. No one will touch it. It's going to be a complete replacement of all the parts. So yeah, I don't know how much it's going to cost me yet, but I will, once I've got it fixed, I'll probably make another video of how much it actually cost me to get it fixed. Just watching the video back there, again, it just brings that feeling back of, what an absolute knob. I can't believe I even done it. I can't believe I'd even thought about going down there. I should have just stopped at that first bit of road. You know, I'd already pushed my luck way too far, but I don't know. I just an idiot, just an absolute idiot. You know, it's going to cost me quite a lot of money to fix. Again, that's deserved. I should never took the bike down in the first place. Yeah, so like I say, I've put on the channel just for you something to laugh about. You know, I'm sure I'll get some abuse from people on here, but yes, there you go. Don't ever take your XR off-road. It is not designed for it one little bit. So yeah, I'll speak to you soon.